Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to shuffle your songs in Spotify. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Spotify app. So here it is. Now we are in home. Now let's click in your library and here we can see the artist and the podcast. So let's click on artist. Now a song is playing. If you pause this, you can see a small shuffle sign over here. If you tap on this, your song is shuffled and you are playing next song now. You can pause this again and you can see the shuffle sign again. Now if you tap this, your song is changed again. So this is it. So this is how you can change or shuffle your songs in Spotify. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you again.